Hi, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then we should scroll to more features. After that, tap here to Super Snap and you'll see here Sound Resource section. Click here once and we can use our system sounds, so media, ringtones, calls, and screen recordings. Also we can use here the microphone, for example, if you want to comment something, or just we can switch it to none, and by this way we'll just record the mute videos. Also, we have the second way how we can activate the sound setting. We should first open notification panel shortcuts. Somewhere here you should find the screen record icon. Just to activate the settings, click here on this icon, tap to this settings icon, and here we can see here sound, system, microphone, unknown, so you can change it from here also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.